Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, today I will tell you a story of my university friend. I don't want to say my friend's name, but I share this story. One day my friends told me that my dear friend, I got married. When I heard this news, I shocked. I told him, "Are you joking with me?" But he said that not. I am actually got married. That I told him, "What's happened? Please, what's happened?" And actually, what's happened? My friend told me that actually I want to get married, and I tried to my best understanding my father, and I told my father that I want to get married, but my father don't care. And after a few days later, I told that I want to get married. My dad said that you are still a student, and when you complete your graduation, when you get a good job, and when you buy a car, buy a house, then we will get married. Remember that I spent on you. I spent a lot of money on you, and when you get married, when you earn money and buy a car, buy a house, then we will get married. I shocked hear this news, and then I decided that I have no way, because I fear of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Then I decided that I get married, and I finally got married. So my dear brothers and sisters, from this story we easily understand that Allah has easy marriage, but Allah has made easy marriage, but we have it difficult. And so you remember, I tell all fathers that if your any son is an adult, please get married, because you know that Allah definitely test you with your children. You remember all time that children is not belong to children, your son. And Allah create you and your children. Allah create us, and Allah is the Lord. Allah is the Lord of death. Allah is the Lord of the day of judgment. So Allah is belong to your children. And remember that if your child commits a sin, the result will be yours. And you remember that Allah test you with your children. And so my dear brothers and sisters, if your child told you that Dad, I want to get married, you marry him. You know that our life is nothing but sports jokes. Our life is a game. And Allah mentioned in Quran, in Surah Ankabut, chapter number 29, verse 64, that وَمَا هَذِهِ الْحَيَاةُ الدُّنْيَا إِلَّا لَهْوٌ وَلَعِيبٌ وَإِنَّ الدَّارَ الْآخِرَةَ لَهِيَ الْحَيَوَانُ لَوْ كَانُوا يَعْلَمُونَ. This meaning, this worldly life is nothing but sports jokes. Other worldly life is the real life, if they know. So my dear brothers and sisters, my request to all of you, if your child want to marry, you marry them. Your child, there's no requirement that your child get a good job, buy a car, buy a house. It is not requirement. If they want to get married, you marry them. InshaaAllah, Allah will help you. That Allah test you. Always you remember that Allah will test you. And if you success, and you feel success. And you always remember that our life is nothing. Allah create you and Allah create you and your child. So, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.